Welcome friends. I am back with a new video having companies fallen by more than 30% from their peak. There are substantial discount in the company because of war between India and Pakistan. So to show strength of our country, okay, what we have to do is that we have to purchase these companies which are at substantial discount so that our Sensex, our Nifty will not go down. This will show strength of our country in globe. We can see that Karachi Stock Exchange is substantially down from its peak, but our Indian stock market is retaining. So to give strength to our stock market, we have to purchase all these companies which are at substantial discount so that it is good for our country also and good for ourselves also. So we'll start with this company. First company is Astral Pipes. Okay. So Astral Pipe is a pipe manufacturing company, plus it is also in adhesive market. Now Astral is trading at 1275 with a discount of 48% from pre. Peak price of this company is uh, 2454. Okay. So now we are getting this company at 1275 rupees with a substantial discount of 48%. We can consider this company for our portfolio. Now we'll go to next company. That is Apollo Pipe. It is a small cap company, little bit risky, but then also it is trading at a 45% discount from peak price. So current price is peak price is 694 and current price is 379. So we are getting this company at this rate, है ना? And peak rate is 694. So we can consider this also for our portfolio, but it is a small cap company. So you should do your complete analysis before investing in this company. Now we move to third company. So third company is Bajaj HFL, Bajaj Housing Finance Limited. It is trading at 38% discount from peak. Current price is 117, whereas peak price is 188. So we can consider this company for long-term investment in our portfolio. It is 40% down. So if we go with this company, this is definite that you will gain a minimum gain of 12% per year in next 3 years. Now we'll go to next company, that is Bikaji Foods. So Bikaji Foods is a FMCG company, okay, and it is trading at 33% discount. 33% discount is a huge discount in case of FMCG company. Normally FMCG company shows discount of 10 to 12%, but now we are getting this company at a 33% discount. Peak price of this company is 1008, but we are getting this company at 674. So we can go for this company for our portfolio along with a view of long-term investment. Okay. Now we'll move to fifth company, that is CAMS. Okay. CAMS is a computer and management services. So as long as market will run, as long as portfolio will run, as long as demat account will run, this company will get revenue. Now we are getting this company at a discount of 35% from peak. Current price of this company is 3488, whereas peak price is 5367. So it is definite that we will invest at this price, we will get a substantial gain in near future. Now we will move to another company that is also from same fragment, CDSL. So CDSL Central Depository Limited. Okay. Now it is trading at a price of 1231. Peak price is 1989 and current discount is 38%. So it is a very, very, very good company. We can think of investing in this company because we are getting at a substantial discount of 38%. Now we'll move to another company, that is Cyan DLM. Okay. Cyan DLM. I think it is 6 serial. Serial doesn't matter, but Cyan DLM. It is working in semiconductor fragment. So now current price of Cyan DLM is 427 rupees, whereas peak price is 870. So we are getting at a substantial discount. Peak discount in terms of percentage is 50%. So we can go for this company and will get best CAGR in this company in near future. This is my prediction. However, you do your own analysis. Now we move to another company, that is Cyient. Okay. So it is also a good company. 1182 is the current price and 2157 is peak price. It is also at a discounted rate of 51% rupees, 51%. So we can get this company at a 50% rate. Company is very good. So we can keep this type of company in our portfolio for long-term investment. Now we'll move to another company. That is eighth company, Coal India Limited. Friends, normally I don't prefer to go with this type of company, dividend company, but I am recommending this company because this is a substantially discounted company in current scenario. It is 30% down from the peak. So dividend yield is also very good. Dividend yield is very good in this company. So it is normally uh, preferred to go with dividend company at a discount more than 30%. So Coal India is at a discount of 34%. Okay. It is at a discount of 34%. What is our principle? If a dividend paying company is down by more than 30%, we can go for investment in small chunks. So now it is discounted and we are getting at 34% discount. So 382 is current price of Coal India Limited and around 560 is peak price. You have to check this peak price. But now we are getting this company at 382 rupees. If it is little bit down in tomorrow market, you can go for this company. Okay, so now ninth company is Colgate Palmolive, Colgate Palmolive. Okay. So this is also a company from FMCG sector, discounted at a rate of 34%. Colgate Palmolive peak price is, current price is 2550 and peak price is 3890. So we can go for this company because we are getting this company at a discounted rate of 34%. So it is a very good company. Now we'll go to 10th company, that is Century Ply. Okay. So as long as construction is going on, real estate is going on, there will be a huge increase in sale of Century Ply. It is a market leader in case of ply. If wooden ply and wooden blocks, we can say Century Ply is market leader. Now we are getting at a substantial discount of 27%. Okay. So 678 is current price of this company and 935 is peak price. But this is for sure, friends, that ply market will never go down, because if you are going to purchase any house, any office, anything, you have to build your uh, say we can say that your own furniture, whatever is your tailor-made furniture for that house or for that office. So in that case, this type of company will green ply, Century Ply, this will get business in that cases. So we are getting at a discount of 27% rupees. We can go for Century Ply also. Now we'll go to 11th company. Okay, that is D-Mart. Everybody knows that D-Mart is market leader in case of FMCG. Okay, and hyper malls वगैरह. So now we are getting at a discount of 30%. And in previous serial number 6 also, I told that if you are getting FMCG company at a discount of 30%, you must go for that company because you will never get this much discount. So now DMart is at trading at a price of 3976, whereas peak price is 5900. So दोस्तों, you can go for this company because you are getting this company at a substantial discounted price of 3976, which is well below 4000 rupees. So you can go for this company. Now we'll go to another company, that is Escorts. Okay. So Escort is an automobile company. Now 3131 is current price, peak price is 4420 and discount is 30%. It is a very good automobile company. We can go for this company blindly, but do your self-analysis before investing in this company. Now we'll move to another company, that is EMIL. Okay. This is from FMEG. Okay. So fast moving electrical goods. Now Electronic Marts India Limited is a hyper mall for electronic items. we are getting at a substantial discount of 50% because current price is 130 rupees and peak price is 262 rupees. So it is more than 50%. We are getting higher discount than 50% in this company, and it is a very good company, growing company, fast growing company. Okay. Now we'll move to other company, that is IRCTC. This is a very good company, Indian Railway Catering Technology, catering services provided basically. So we are getting this company at a 36% discount. Second, it is going very good dividend. Third, business growth is very good in this company. As long as the railway will run, this company will run. So this is peak price, this is current price. So you are getting a company at a price of 724 rupees, whereas peak price is 1138 and at a discount of 36% and a monopoly company. So you can go for this company. Please go for this company after doing your self-analysis. Okay. So now we move to another company that is also from railway sector. That is IRFC. It is Indian Railway Finance Corporation. This is a finance company which is doing finance to railway sector only. And as long as railway will run, they will take finance from IRFC, and if they will take finance from IRFC, IRFC will show growth to the investor. Now 116 is current price, 229 is peak price, IRFC's. So it is at a discount of 50% to now, and it is also a dividend paying company. And as per our principle, if a dividend paying company is having discount more than 30%, we can go for that company. Okay, so we can go for IRFC, but do your complete financial analysis. Now we'll see IREDA. IREDA is also a development authority for renewable sector. Okay, current price is 157, 310 is peak price, discount is more than 50%, dividend is also very good. So we can go for this company blindly, but do your self analysis before investing in this company. But you will get very good dividend and you will get very good return if you invest in this company with 50% discount, at a level of 50% discount. Now we'll move to another company, that is Jio Finance. Okay, this is company from Mota Bhai, Mukesh Bhai. Now it is at a discount of 33%. 249 is current price and 376 is peak price. Okay, you should have no doubt in this Jio Finance company. It will take time. It may take time of 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but it is a multi-bagger company without any doubt. So you can go with Jio Finance without any doubt. Now discount is 33%. It may go down also. It may go up also. But this is a level where we can start our investment journey. Okay. Now another company from investment sector is Muthoot. Not Muthoot Gold. It is Muthoot Microfinance. It is subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. It is trading at a price of 128. Peak price is 258 and discount is 50% again. Okay. So it is a very good company. Muthoot Finance is having very high growth potential. Will get best CAGR in this type of company. Will get good returns. I think it is not a company which will pay dividend, but let us see. But it is a very good company. So you can go with Muthoot Finance. Now another company which is at a very discounted price, ONGC. It is a dividend paying company, high dividend paying company. So as per our principle, if it is down by more than 30%, we can go for this company. So it is at 30% discount rate. Okay. Peak price is 345. Now we are getting company as 234. So we can go for this company at this level. ONGC is very good company, oil and natural gas company. Okay. You will get very good dividend in this company. And in a dividend company, this is for sure, friends, that after a discount of 30%, you must start your investment in this type of company and you must do averaging after every 20% fall. Okay. Now we'll see another company, that is Power Finance Corporation. This is also a dividend paying company, but it is at a 34% discount. As per our principle, we can start investment in this company. Current price is 354 and peak price is 580. So Power Finance Corporation is a finance company, and power sector is taking finance from this company. It is a very good dividend paying company, discounted at 34%. We can go for this company without any doubt. Okay, dosto. Now again, I am producing one more dividend paying company. It is also at a discount of more than 40%. Rural Electrification Corporation. In this type of company, friends, if you will get 40% discount, 50% discount, and when this company rebound to their original prices, that is back to their peak prices. So your dividend yield may go up to bank interest of 8%. Okay. So this is for sure that in a dividend paying company, if you will start your investment after a fall of 30% or more, you will get best return in form of dividend. So in dividend paying company, you should investment if you are getting at a price at a discount of 40%. So REC Rural Electrification, very good company. Current price is 385 and whereas peak price is 654. So you can go for this company, dosto. Now, another company is Sirca Paint. It is not a dividend paying company, but a monopoly company. Wooden paints market share for wooden paints. Sirca is having 60% share. Nor Asian Paint, nor another company. Sirca is a specialized company for wooden paint. Okay. So it is trading at a price of 263 rupees, whereas peak price is 383 rupees. And we are getting this company at a discount of 40%. So it is a best investment level for this company, this type of monopoly company. Now, another monopoly company, है ना? Now it is summer weather. So Varun Beverages Limited. Okay. Varun Beverages, cold drinks and all these things, this is packed by Varun Beverages Limited. It is having long-term contracts from PepsiCo and all other companies. So, Varun Beverages Limited is trading at a discount of 27%. And we know that we are in summer. So, after completion of summer, the next quarter will show a huge profit in this company because of extraordinary sales in cold soft drinks. Okay. Now, Varun Beverages Limited is at trading at a rate of 477. Peak price is 681. So we can go for Varun Beverages Limited. Okay. It is trading at a discount of 27%. In this type of company never shows discount of 27%. It is our luck that due to war and all these things and abnormal scenario. And friends, another thing I want to tell you that Indo-Pak war is now at ceasefire. Russia war is also going to end within a week, and tariff war is also uh, it may close within 1 week. So now our portfolio or investment or Nifty will run with a highest acceleration. Okay, so if you see this company which I have listed above, you may go for investment after doing your complete analysis. Now, another company is UTI AMC. It is a fund manager company, AMC. And it is also at a substantial discount of 30%. And as per my analysis, UTI AMC is best mutual fund company, best asset management company, which we are getting at a discount of 30%. Now, current price is 981, whereas peak price is 1403. So we can go for this company. It is also paying dividend. So we can go for this company, and this is the best level to go with this company. So friends, this is list of some company which I bought for you, and I thought that in this war scenario we must support our country by doing continual investment in our stock market so that our stock market should not collapse and will show our strength in terms of economy also to whole world, whole globe. Thank you. Thank you very much.